While the broader retail market panics over a wobbling, hyper-volatile tape, the smart money is executing a monumental, quiet migration. BlackRock, weaponizing a staggering equity portfolio size exceeding $6.5 trillion, has systematically shaved weight from crowded retail favorites. Institutional filings confirm they aggressively trimmed exposure across the elite tier of big tech, slashing stakes in Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Tesla, Oracle, and Palantir. It's a ruthless rebalancing act driven by an unshakable institutional truth. As BlackRock CEO Larry Fink recently noted, transformative technologies create enormous value, and much of that value accrues to the companies that build and deploy them, and to the investors who own them. Larry Fink isn't looking back at yesterday's winners. He's deploying massive capital for what's coming next. Wall Street is entirely missing this underlying structural rotation. Instead of bidding up bloated, overhyped software platforms, the world's largest asset manager is stealthily buying 3 overlooked massive AI gems positioned to utterly shock the street before the end of 2026 and explode all the way through 2027. We are tracking an elite cyber defense pioneer safeguarding the automated frontier, a $100 billion semiconductor manufacturing equipment titan whose specialized engineering fabricates the global silicon supply, and an enterprise infrastructure behemoth quietly dominant in custom AI chips and ultra-high-speed networking fabrics. These hidden pillars form the literal backbone of the macro AI economy, and they are primed for an institutional breakout. Let's look at the data to uncover exactly where this capital is landing right now. Let's begin our asset rotation with the absolute titan safeguarding the digital frontier, Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW. Moving past legacy firewalls, PANW has transformed into a dominant AI-driven cybersecurity platform. Their core business model relies on a highly disruptive strategy called platformization, consolidating network, cloud, and operations into one unified ecosystem. This strategy is executing flawlessly. In their recent third quarter, their platformized customer base surged 32% year-over-year to 1,650 clients, maintaining a stellar 120% net retention rate. Financially, the data is incredible. Their next-gen security annualized recurring revenue rocketed 60% year-over-year to $8.13 billion, putting them on a clear path to hit their raised long-term target of $20 billion by fiscal 2030. Specialized segments are crushing expectations, with Secure Access Service Edge ARR clearing $1.6 billion at a 40% clip, and their AI-native Cortex platform nearing $1 billion in bookings. Furthermore, remaining performance obligations climbed 36% to over $18 billion, providing massive visibility. PANW leads the high-growth security cohort with an elite calendar year free cash flow margin of 37%, targeting a 40% adjusted margin by fiscal 2028. The ultimate structural catalyst driving future upside is their aggressive expansion into identity security. Through their massive $25 billion acquisition of CyberArk, they are directly tackling the most critical vulnerability surface of the automated economy. Today, machine and automated AI identities outnumber human identities by a staggering 109-to-1. With their newly introduced Idira platform, they are building zero standing privilege controls designed specifically to protect autonomous AI agents, making PANW an indispensable foundational pillar of the global AI expansion. Transitioning from digital defense to the physical foundation of the hardware layer, the second hidden gem BlackRock is quietly accumulating is Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. While retail investors chase flashy GPU designers, none of that hardware scales without the specialized materials engineering tools AMAT provides for deposition, etch, and planarization. AI is fundamentally shifting this sector from a capacity cycle into a structural growth cycle. As generative AI chips accelerate toward a $500 billion market this year, chipmakers must deploy denser architectures, increasing manufacturing steps and elevating equipment value per wafer. In their recent second quarter, semiconductor systems revenue hit nearly $6 billion, while their recurring services segment achieved a record $1.665 billion. Tracking an annualized systems run rate of $27.6 billion, their footprint perfectly aligns with global expansion. Worldwide fab equipment spending is projected to climb to $133 billion this year and reach $151 billion next year. Because leading-edge logic, DRAM, and advanced packaging represent over 80% of that expansion, AMAT dominates the exact zones where global expenditure is heaviest. The catalysts lie in monetizing chip complexity. They are the premier equipment provider in leading-edge foundry logic, capturing the massive architectural shift to gate all-around nodes. Simultaneously, the explosion in AI memory bandwidth demand is supercharging their DRAM and high-bandwidth memory exposure, which climbed 18% year-over-year. Furthermore, advanced packaging is scaling over 50% this year, amplified by a pending acquisition to lead panel-level packaging. Supported by 35,000 chambers connected to AI-powered analytics, their forward earnings are pacing toward $15.9 per share, creating an incredible runway for immense upside. Leaving the manufacturing floor to look at the enterprise systems architecture, the final powerhouse cementing this institutional portfolio shift is Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. While retail investors remain heavily fixated on standardized chipmakers, AVGO is quietly orchestrating the back-end revolution as the premier custom silicon partner for the world's most demanding hyperscalers. Their core business model trades broad architectural adaptability for extreme application-specific efficiency, allowing mega-cap technology companies to build custom hardware tailored precisely to their internal workloads. We see this validation in their massive 5-year, $30 billion contract with Apple to deliver over 15 billion chips, supported by a $1.5 billion domestic manufacturing expansion. However, the far more scalable catalyst is their historic partnership with OpenAI. In June 26, the two giants unveiled Jalapeno, a breakthrough custom intelligence processor engineered from scratch to dominate large language model inference, delivering superior performance per watt. This flagship accelerator rollout begins deployment in the second half of this year and stretches through 2029, placing AVGO at the epicenter of the proprietary AI infrastructure build-out. The scale of their contractual pipeline is breathtaking, anchored by OpenAI's 10-gigawatt data center deployment and Meta's multi-gigawatt rollout. They own the critical scaling bottlenecks through a comprehensive end-to-end portfolio of high-speed Ethernet switching, PCIe, and optical connectivity solutions required to tie these massive compute clusters together. Financially, AVGO is a compounding powerhouse, generating $10.262 billion in free cash flow in their most recent second quarter. Management has explicitly guided third-quarter AI semiconductor revenue to skyrocket by more than 200% year-over-year. Securely backed by a staggering $164.6 billion in remaining performance obligations, this architectural linchpin offers tremendous long-term operational upside for active market investors. As BlackRock aggressively rotates trillions out of crowded tech giants, these three deeply embedded infrastructure leaders represent the true smart money playbook. Position your portfolio where the institutional capital is flowing before the retail market wakes up. Track the data, watch the institutional flow, and position yourself ahead of the curve.